Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andie. So today is an exciting one. I've just received this from Influenster and Keys. So Keys is a skincare range, so I'm going to show you what they've sent me. But what I like about this is the quotes that are on the front, and it's also on the skincare as well. So it says kindness, vulnerable, rawness, eloquence, insistence, powerfulness, patterns, complex and divine, priceless, I see you, beautiful masterpiece. So, whoops. So that's what it looks like inside, and this is Alicia Keys' skincare range if you're not aware of that. And then you get in the card here, and then obviously that's her on the front there. So it says get started, log into your Influencer profile on the app and check out the Keys Soulcare skincare. So it's Keys Soulcare skincare, that's the actual name of the line. Test your Keys Soulcare products, follow the instructions in your campaign and leave a review. Post on Instagram and TikTok. Check your campaign for important instructions regarding disclosure. And so, right, so I'm getting a skin transformation cream, a comforting balm. You only got 3 of the 4 products. There isn't a reviving aura mist in here. I wish there was. Be Luminous Exfoliator. So you got 3 out of the 4 products. I know some people on Influencer got the mist. I wasn't that fortunate, but I am so happy that they've sent me these skincare products, because I'm breaking out left, right and centre here. I've just got quite a big spot here, another spot under my eye here. Then I'll just read you this here as well. So just on the packaging, so it says Keys Soulcare, skin nourishing ingredients and so nourishing rituals. Transform your everyday self-care routine into a soul-care ritual, a moment to reground, recenter and to be present. Welcome to Keys Soulcare, created with Alicia Keys and board certified dermatologist Dr. Renee Snyder. The line is inspired by Alicia's own skincare journey and love of ancient beauty rituals. Keys Soulcare goes beyond skincare to truly care for the whole self, body, mind and spirit. Available at Cult Beauty. I've got to do a review on Cult Beauty as well, which is fine. And this skincare line is clean, so you know it's got really good ingredients in it. Right, so we'll go off the card. It's almost like doing an unboxing, which I like doing, and I've not done one of them in ages, not since I cancelled my glossy box. So we've got the skin transformation cream. I've not opened any of them yet, so it is a first impressions. So they come in packaging like that. I mean, how beautiful and luxe is that packaging? So it's fragrance free skin transformation cream, and you're getting 50 grams. That's a good amount to get. And it says, you welcome all circumstances as catalyst for change. That's the quote on that one. And then I think it's in French there. I'm not 100% sure. And it says dermatologist selected clean ingredients. Yeah, clean ingredients, it's like I thought. And it says developed in partnership with a board certified dermatologist. This fragrance free, potent yet gentle clean formula hydrates and nourishes for plump and radiant skin. Right up my street, isn't it? I mean, I love the radiance. I love the glow. So it's got a little seal on. I'm just going to take that off. I've seen a couple of reviews on this when I knew that I was getting this, because with Influencer, when you actually qualify for something, you see it as part of your campaign and you can see what you're going to get. So what I'm going to do with this as well is I'm gonna test the products out with you. Obviously not today, I've got a full face of makeup on. It will be another day in the week sometime. So that's a little pot. It comes in really luxe. It feels really luxe. It says it's fragrance free on the back there. And then it even says a quote here, I welcome all circumstances as catalyst for change. I think that's cool. So let's open it up. So you get in one of these things, which is cool. There is a scent there. I don't know what it is, but there's definitely a scent. That would be enough for like kind of to moisturise your skin on more than one occasion. Right, so it's looking like that. It's not a thick formula, guys, which I actually like. It's more like a gel, which is what I'm using at the moment. So I'm just rubbing it into the skin. Yeah, it feels really, really nice. There's a scent there. I don't know if I'm sensitive to scents, but yeah, there's definitely some kind of a scent there. So I wouldn't agree that it's scent, that it's not got a scent. So yeah, I wouldn't agree with that part of it. But it's not an overpowering scent. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using that. Okay. And then the next one on the card is the, oh, what does it say? I need to tell you what it says. So it's the Skin Transformation Cream, a revitalising face cream that hydrates, plumps and nourishes, I can't pronounce this, with Baccachu and Malachite. I don't know if you're going to be able to read it, but it's here. Right, so the next one is the Comforting Balm. So that comes in a smaller box. It's that one. I believe these are all full size. So this one comes in, this one is 0.26 ounces, 7.5 grams. And this one says, you surround yourself with things that are good for you. And I couldn't agree with that more. I mean, you don't want negative things in your life. So yeah, you push them away. I was so excited when I got this because last month, I got something last month which I'm really, really appreciative for, but it was kind of a blood pressure monitor, so it was more of a tool. And I was saying last time in that video I would have preferred makeup, but you know, makeup and skincare, I'm really getting into skincare at the moment, so I'm really happy that I've got this. Right, so this one looks like that. So it says Keys Soulcare Comforting Balm. Again, it has the I surround myself with things that are good for me on the actual pot here. And it says a true multi-purpose balm that soothes, moisturises and protects with camellia seed oil and rose of Jericho. And I think I read that you can put this wherever, really. You can put it like on your elbows. Oh, that feels so nice. See, I get really dry elbows. I think I'd have to put loads on that on. I bet you could even put this on if you had chapped lips. But yeah, looking forward to trying that out as well. Does it smell? I didn't do the scent test. Oh, that smells like vanilla. And it doesn't say that vanilla's in it. Maybe it's the rose I'm picking up, but I don't like rose normally. But yeah, that smells really, really nice. And then we've got another Luminous product, so that's this one. So this one is the Luminous Exfoliator, a restorative water activated exfoliating powder. Hojisha powder provides non-stripping exfoliation for a softer, smoother looking texture. So let's open this one up. And this one says, you are layered, complex and divine. That's me, alright. This is taking all my nail polish off. And that comes like that. And it's the Luminous Exfoliator. And that's got a little cap there. Now, I don't want to get too much out. It's water activated. So, it's like salt grains. So that's it there. Like I said, I'm going to show you a video of it. Doesn't feel too harsh though. I'm going to show you a video of me applying the things probably later on in the week. and we'll see how we get on with it. I mean, I don't have to do this, it's not part of what I need to do, but there is, because they're sending us so much product, you know, because it's not just one product, there is a lot more to do this go around. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a get ready with me and show you how I apply them, but I will do that in the future video. That will be coming up soon. I don't have to do that, it's not part of what I need to do for the campaign, but there is a lot for me to do. I need to leave reviews in a couple of places, as well as Influenster, Instagram. I need to go over to TikTok, and I don't even use my TikTok that much. In fact, I only use it to watch my niece's videos, so I need to upload something there. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying the products. So thank you Influenster and Alicia Keys for sending them to me. They came at the right time as well with the breakouts I'm having, so watch this space and we will use them and put them to the test. Thank you for watching, guys. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to become part of our crazy little fam. It would mean the absolute world. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.